Well guys, nandito pa rin ako ngayon sa river at makikita nyo po yung river. It is almost sumampa na po siya sa tabing ilog, and you can see that's the garden of Hollandes. Ito yung garden nila. Makikita nyo yung garden, almost talagang nakasampa na yung river ngayon. And makikita nyo naman yung taas. Raming tubig ulan po. Malaki pa po yung ulap, napakataas at napakadilim, so expect so many heavy rains tonight. Kaya we pray sana matapos na tong ulan na to para hindi na masyadong lumaki to ang level ng tubig. Ayan, unti-unti siyang lumalaki ngayon. You can see now. See, so that's it guys. Nakikita nyo yung Bahay Kubo ngayon. That's the river yung dinadaanan ko. Yeah, you can see the river now lumilevel na siya sa kalsada. That's it guys, you can see that. Okay, stop it now. Time check. Bye.